Are you looking for the best ductless mini split air conditioners? In this video we will look at some of the best ductless mini split air conditioners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner. The Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner is a cutting-edge vac solution that seamlessly combines advanced technology with versatile functionality. What sets it apart is its integration with Alexa, allowing users to control the mini split air conditioner through voice commands or a dedicated app. This feature offers the convenience of adjusting temperature settings from anywhere and even setting up routines for optimal energy savings, boasting efficiency gains of up to 40%. Designed as a 4-in-1 mini split system, it serves as a comprehensive solution for all seasons. The unit not only provides air conditioning but also features a robust heat pump functional in temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius, a dehumidifier, a fan, and an accelerated turbo function for quick adjustments. The use of a DC inverter ensures reliability, and the system is UL listed, RI certified, ensuring top-notch performance and safety standards. Number 2. DELLA 24,000 BTU Wi-Fi enabled mini split air conditioner. The DELLA 24,000 BTU Wi-Fi enabled mini split air conditioner is a powerhouse of energy-efficient cooling, boasting a 24,000 BTU/H capacity with a high SEER rating of 19. It operates at 208/230V and is both ETL listed and RI certified, ensuring reliability and safety. With a ductless mini split inverter plus system and heat pump capabilities, operational even at 5/15, this unit utilizes DC inverter technology to deliver impressive power savings of up to 30%. Covering an ample 1,500 square feet, this air conditioner is versatile and can function in environments as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The package includes a complete installation kit with standard size 1/4 and a half outer dimension copper pipes, along with a 78.7 drain pipe. Number 3. Pioneer Air Conditioner WYS009A20. The Pioneer Air Conditioner WYS009A20 offers an economical solution for year-round comfort with its highly efficient ductless mini split inverter and heat pump system. Designed for both cooling and heating purposes, this system operates at 9,000 BTU/hour, boasting an impressive 20.5 SEER and 10 HSPF efficiency. Its ultra-silent operation and aesthetically pleasing design make it an ideal choice for both home and light commercial use. One of the standout features of this air conditioner is its comprehensive package, which includes all the necessary components for installation. The inclusion of an easy-install 16-feet copper piping kit further simplifies the setup process, ensuring a hassle-free experience for users. Additionally, the system comes with free tech support, offering assistance to users in case they encounter any issues. Number 4. Senville SENA-36HF. The Senville SENA-36HF is a versatile air conditioning system designed for both residential and commercial use, making it an excellent choice for various settings. Its standout feature is the ability to provide individualized climate control for multiple rooms, thanks to the inclusion of multiple indoor air handlers and a single outdoor unit. This makes it perfect for homes with several rooms or businesses with diverse spaces. One of its modern conveniences is its compatibility with Alexa, allowing users to control the air conditioner through voice commands or a dedicated app. This smart functionality extends to energy-saving features, with the option to create routines that adjust temperature settings remotely, potentially resulting in energy savings of up to 40%. Number 5. Cooper & Amp Hunter 36000. The Cooper & Amp Hunter Sophia Series Single Zone 36000 BTU Wall Mount Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner with heat pump is a powerful and versatile vac solution for both residential and commercial applications. With a cooling capacity of 33,000 BTU and a heating capacity of 35,000 BTU, it efficiently regulates the temperature in spaces like bedrooms, additions, living rooms, and commercial settings. This system operates on 208/230V power and is ETL Intertech approved and RI certified, ensuring its safety and performance standards. It is designed to work for heating even in low ambient temperatures, with functionality down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The whisper technology employed in this unit ensures quiet operation, making it suitable for various indoor environments.